Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I just tried to do something that I did yesterday on a watercolor canvas and it did not work out, so I'm going back to this mixed media pad from Master's Touch, and I'm going to be doing watercolor inks and then accenting it with TLP alcohol inks. So let's get started. I'm just going to wet the page slightly, and then I have Daily and Rowney Aquafine in Phthalo Blue. I have it in Quinacridone Magenta. I also have Lime Green, Yellow Green by Liquitex. I have Titanium White, or it's just white, by Liquitex. I have Daily, this is Bombay India ink in Sepia. And then I have I also have Liquitex Acrylic Ink in Turquoise Deep, as well as this green, which is Vivid Lime Green. Okay, so we've wet the page slightly. Look at that. Oh my God, isn't that fun? I just love paint reactions. Holy cow. I'm gonna move that around a bit. And then we're going to add a little bit more water here. So this is what happens when you do that. Just kind of flows over. Then we're going to put some magenta in. I love watching that happen. So cool. And then we're going to do a little bit of the lime green up here. I need more water. Very cool. Should have taken the page off, but I kind of like that it's nice and stiff. I need to get a board to move the paints around just to tape it down on there. Wow. Dip of the water. Oops. Now I've taken all the water off pretty much, so I want to put more on. And here comes the Liquitex Acrylic Deep. Oh geez Louise, that was a little bit much. Look at that, it's so cool. Magenta back in here. Just kind of moving it around. Of this India ink down here, sepia, and where is, I have High Flow Golden in Permanent Violet Dark. Whoa, Wilbur. Here comes the magic. These are alcohol inks. I made them a long time ago with a different recipe, but I'm going to use the correct recipe from now on. The correct recipe is 3 ounces of alcohol. I can't remember how much of a scoop of pigment you need. And then you put some Claro in it, which is a alcohol extender. This stuff I made with, instead of the Claro, I made it with hairspray, which is also a binder, but probably not the best. This is Mermaid. This is Grenache. Hi, Fanny. And this, I put little balls in the bottom of it to mix them up. This is Pinwheel. Okay, that's enough. I love it. Do I have a darker one? This is Waterfall. Not very dark. You grab acrylic ink. There we go. Very cool. Oh my God. I'm gonna keep going. It's acrylic ink. Just playing around. This is how creativity is born. You just try things and say, what if? What if I did this? What if I did that? I'm gonna put another drop of golden. It's setting up now, so I won't be able to do much more. It's the first time I'm trying something like this. So, oh, and look at, see, because it's still wet there, it's going right into it, and I love that. All right, that's it, that's all. So I will, oh my gosh, I'm not even in frame. Sorry about that, guys. There we go. I'll edit it. So this is it for now. I'm gonna let it dry and take you down for a close-up once it's dried. And I'll show you the one I did yesterday, which was actually much better, I think. Let me see what white we can do now that it's almost dry. Oh. Very cool. I just can't stop playing. All right, guys, so this is this particular piece. Quite happy with the colors and the bling bling. Oh, this would be good with interference colors. So that's this one done today. And one moment, this is the one done yesterday. Very cool. I love this technique. I'm gonna be doing more. Gotta get some bigger paper. Very cool. Yep. Got something new to play with. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now.